Imagine a device that completely replaces your paper notebooks, stacks of documents, and daily planners. This is the Viwoods AiPaper. It's not just another tablet, it's an ultra-slim, distraction-free digital canvas designed for modern professionals. With an advanced Carta 1300 Mobius screen and deep AI integration, it promises to change the way we read, write, and organize our lives. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The unboxing experience is clean and straightforward. Right out of the box, the tablet comes pre-installed in its gray, eco-friendly protective case. The upgraded W2 Stylus Pro is neatly tucked into the side loop, ready to go. Inside, we also find a high-quality charging cable, a dedicated box with 3 spare tips, and the user manual. Viwoods includes everything you need to start working immediately without forcing you to buy essential accessories separately. When you take it out, the first thing that strikes you is the sheer elegance of the design. The eco-friendly case fits perfectly, keeping the profile incredibly slim. But the real magic happens when you remove the tablet. At just 4.5 millimeters thick and weighing only 370 grams, it feels almost weightless, like a single sheet of glass or paper. On the front, we have 3 dedicated physical buttons: back, home, and a special button to instantly call the AI assistant. The top edge houses the power button, a USB-C charging port, and a built-in microphone for voice features. Now let's look closer at the upgraded W2 Stylus Pro. It feels natural in the hand, featuring a side button and a dedicated eraser on the top. Viwoods also includes 3 spare tips, which is a big plus for heavy writers. The included USB-C cable fits securely, and the device charges quickly. As for the standard eco-friendly case, it's lightweight, minimalistic, and provides solid basic protection. It's a great standard option, but as you'll see in a moment, there is a way to elevate this device even further. Powering up the device for the first time is quick. The setup is seamless. Just select your language, and you are immediately taken to the main home screen. Right away, the clarity of the screen catches your eye. The contrast is sharp, and there is absolutely no glare, making it feel just like printed paper. If you want to match the premium build of the tablet, the premium genuine leather case is an absolute must-have. The texture of the leather outside feels incredibly rich, while the inside features a soft velvet-like lining that protects the screen from scratches. The tablet snaps into it effortlessly, and the side loop keeps your stylus securely in place. It instantly transforms the device into a high-end luxury notebook, perfect for boardrooms or business meetings. Before diving into the features, I always recommend checking for updates. A quick system update ensures everything runs smoothly and gives us access to the latest AI features. The user interface is heavily optimized for productivity. The side menu gives you instant access to everything you need. And you can jump into handwritten notes, check your calendar, manage daily tasks, or open your book library. There is also a built-in file manager, cloud sync options, email, and a dedicated community hub for news and updates. Moving over to the settings, the layout is clean and logical. You can easily configure your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, adjust display settings, and customize gestures. What's really great is the availability of various apps. This means you're not tied to a closed ecosystem. You can download your favorite apps and truly make this device your own. Security is essential, especially if you use this tablet for work or confidential business notes. Setting up a secure 4-digit passcode is quick and simple. Once configured, it gives you peace of mind that your thoughts, documents, and personal schedules remain private. Moving files to the AiPaper is incredibly smooth. You can easily link your smartphone by simply scanning a QR code to log into your Viwoods account. Transferring a document takes just a couple of seconds. As you can see, the file downloads almost instantly, and you can open it right away without any formatting issues. The reading experience on the Carta 1300 Mobius screen is where this device truly shines. Navigation is seamless, allowing you to quickly jump through the table of contents, flip pages, or add bookmarks. You can completely customize your view by adjusting the contrast, font boldness, sharpness, and zoom levels to fit your eyes perfectly. Another fantastic feature is the built-in dictionary. Just tap on any word and a small window pops up instantly, showing you the exact definition, pronunciation, and origin. It is an amazing tool for students and professionals alike. Writing on the AiPaper feels incredibly natural. The pen-to-ink distance is almost non-existent, creating a realistic, textured feel that mimics actual pen and paper. Aside from a blank canvas, you have a wide variety of pre-installed templates, including lined pages, grids, and handwriting guides to keep your notes clean and organized. Now let's dive into the absolute headline feature of the Viwoods AiPaper, its deep AI integration. By simply pressing the dedicated physical button on the front, you instantly call up the AI assistant. What makes this system incredibly powerful is the flexibility. The drop-down menu lets you choose between world-class language models like GPT, Gemini, DeepSeek, or Qwen. You can easily track your past queries in the History tab. When you type a prompt, the response is detailed and remarkably fast for an e-ink screen. Once you have your answer, you're not stuck with just reading it. You can copy it, share it, or save it directly into your notes. Naming and saving a response to A-Notes is effortless, creating a seamless workflow. You don't even have to type to use this feature. If you long press the AI button, the built-in microphone records a voice message for up to 15 seconds. Once you release it, the system automatically transcribes your voice and sends it to the AI. For example, I can just ask for an apple pie recipe. The assistant processes it and returns a highly detailed recipe on screen. From there, you can continue the conversation, asking follow-up questions like which apples are best to buy and get instant recommendations. It feels fast, intuitive, and genuinely helpful. The AI features extend beautifully into the reading experience as well. When you are reading a book and hit a complex term, you can tap the word to bring up the context menu and access the AI assistant directly. But here is where Viwoods takes it a step further. You can customize up to 5 of your own unique AI commands. By hitting Customize, you can assign a shortcut name and a detailed prompt explaining exactly what you want the AI to do. In my case, I created a shortcut called Explain with a prompt for a deep dive explanation. Now, when I highlight a complex term like neoclassical and select my custom command, the AI immediately delivers a thorough, deep dive breakdown tailored precisely to my needs. The interface handles multitasking beautifully. When you query the AI while reading, it initially opens in a full-screen view, but with a single tap, you can minimize it into a floating window that sits right on top of your book. You can drag this window anywhere on the screen so it doesn't block your text. Even better, a simple swipe shrinks it into a tiny side tab on the edge of the display. Whenever you need that information again, just tap the tab, and the window expands instantly. It is incredibly well thought out. To push the processor and the AI a bit further, I threw a quick physics problem at it, and it solved it flawlessly. But what's really interesting is how you can save this data. Aside from standard TXT files, Viwoods allow you to export AI-generated content directly as an HTML file. And as you can see, the saved note opens perfectly in Google Chrome, looking clean and properly formatted. Let's make things even more interesting. The AI Assistant button is always accessible no matter what app you are using. I opened up a blank canvas and drew a quick, rough sketch of a screw. By tapping the floating AI button, you can select your drawing and send it straight to the assistant for analysis. The system processes the visual data almost instantly, transcribes it, and correctly identifies that the sketch is, indeed, a screw. This takes the tablet way beyond a simple e-reader. It's a truly interactive assistant. One of the most impressive productivity features is hidden inside the calendar module. If you prefer writing your schedules by hand, you can just jot down a quick list of tasks using the Stylus. By selecting the Lasso tool, the AI analyzes your handwriting and automatically converts it into a digital to-do list or calendar event. Even better, the Viwoods AiPaper seamlessly integrates with both Outlook and Google Calendars. Once you link your accounts, any events you add, modify, or delete will automatically synchronize across all your devices, including recurring events. And if you ever choose to unbind your account, your data stays safe, leaving only your locally created events on the tablet. It's a perfect bridge between classic handwriting and modern digital planning. The device also features a built-in app store, giving you access to essential third-party applications. Whether you need an alternative browser like Brave for fast searching or cloud storage like Dropbox to keep your library synced, installing them is quick and straightforward. To see how it handles third-party reading platforms, let's open up the pre-installed Rakuten Kobo app. The reading experience here is just as smooth and customizable. You can easily jump through the table of contents, adjust the font size, switch screen orientation, or change page-turning styles. There is also a dark mode option for late-night reading and a quick scroll bar for fast navigation. But what's truly brilliant is that the floating AI assistant button works here too. By activating the AI and using the lasso tool to highlight a section of text, the assistant immediately goes to work. In this case, it correctly identifies that the text is in Finnish and instantly provides a clear, detailed explanation of the content. This level of cross-app AI support is a massive game changer. If you are heavily embedded in the Microsoft ecosystem, you'll love this. Opening up Microsoft OneNote is quick, and the Stylus response remains incredibly smooth, allowing you to sync your handwritten notes directly to your work account. The same level of integration applies when browsing the web. Opening up Google Chrome, the pages load quickly, and text is remarkably sharp. But the best part is that the floating AI assistant button is right there on the screen. You can highlight a few words directly on any website, send it for analysis, and get an instant textual response. No matter if you are in a book, a third-party app, or on a web page, the AI assistant is always ready to help. It truly feels like a unified ecosystem. The Viwoods AiPaper completely blurs the line between traditional paper and advanced technology. It's incredibly thin, beautifully built, and the deep AI integration genuinely elevates your daily productivity. If you are looking for a powerful, distraction-free digital canvas, this might just be the ultimate tool. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to ScanVerdict for more premium tech reviews, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.